How to connect iPhone to Hisense TV. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to connect your iPhone to a Hisense TV, either wirelessly using AirPlay or with a simple HDMI cable. It's quick, easy, and perfect for watching your favorite content on the big screen. Let's get started. Method 1. Wireless, using AirPlay. First, let's use AirPlay. This only works if your Hisense TV supports AirPlay too. Make sure your iPhone and Hisense TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On your TV, go to Settings, then Apple AirPlay, and make sure you turn it on. Now, on your iPhone, swipe down to open the control center, then tap Screen Mirroring and select your Hisense TV from the list. If a code appears on your TV, just type it on your iPhone, and that's it. Your iPhone screen should now be mirrored. Method 2. Wired, using HDMI adapter. If your TV doesn't support AirPlay or you want a more stable connection, here's how to connect using a cable. 1. Get an Apple Lightning to HDMI adapter and a regular HDMI cable. 2. Plug the HDMI cable into the adapter and then into the HDMI port on your Hisense TV. 3. Connect the adapter to your iPhone. 4. Change the input source on your TV to the correct HDMI port, and boom, your iPhone screen appears on your TV. And that's it. That was the tutorial on how to connect your iPhone to a Hisense TV, either wirelessly with AirPlay or with a cable using HDMI. Super easy, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time.